Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a Gymshark haul / review, and I'm also going to be showing dupes allegedly to Gymshark. Excuse me if I sound a little nasally. My nose has been running since like last night. I thought I was overcoming my sickness. Like I really thought I was, but then I guess I wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a timestamp here of when the actual try on will start. I do wanna talk to you guys briefly before I actually get into that, but you know, people on YouTube, they a little impatient, you know, they don't be wanting to hear you talk. They just get straight to the point. So you know what, for those of y'all who don't wanna hear me talk, you can just go ahead and, you know, fast forward, okay? Cool. Anyways, so Gymshark is a UK-based website, and they sell gym wear. And if you guys don't know, I'm a really big follower of Makeup Shayla, and it's honestly her that kind of made me finally go ahead and buy this because she wears it nonstop. She loves it. She raves about it, and I feel like I've been needing some new gym wear because I haven't bought anything in about like a year and a half. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get me some new stuff. So I finally committed to making an order. But before I place my order, I have to make sure what size I need to get. So what do you do when you're trying to find your size? You go to YouTube. So I go to YouTube, youtube.com, type in Gymshark review, Gymshark haul. And this is where the problem came. I was scrolling. You know when you're looking for something, you kind of look for people who kind of look like you, who are shaped like you when you're trying to like buy something. And this is not to be mean or anything, but I mean, if I'm trying to find a foundation color, I'm gonna look for someone who has like similar skin tone. If I'm trying to learn how to do like a certain eye look or something, I'm gonna go with someone who kind of has like my similar eye shape, you know? So I get on YouTube, like, okay, let me find out. And I noticed when I kept watching videos, everyone is an extra small or small. Like, I could barely find anybody who wore a large, and that's my normal size. So I just went ahead and said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and order my normal size. So I did that, and I will say for the most part it is true to size. I got leggings from the Vital Seamless, and I also got leggings from the Flex. And I will say the Vital Seamless, there's leadway to kind of size down because they're really stretchy and comfortable. I would say the Flex leggings, you can stick to your regular size. And I only ordered this stuff because I do know they have a really huge Black Friday sale, and I really want to like go crazy for the Black Friday sale, but I wanted to make sure that I actually know my sizing and all that stuff. So I did just that. And then also I wanted to talk to you guys about pricing. Okay, so a lot of people say Gymshark is pricey, and this might be an unpopular opinion, but I actually don't think they're pricey. I think they have the same price range as Old Navy. The only reason why I would say Gymshark seems expensive is because they hardly have sales. Old Navy has sales like year round. Like, you know, at some point you can save money, like at some point, you know. Gymshark, they probably have sales like twice a year. And yeah, it can be a little pricey. It can be a little bit pricey if you're trying to buy a sports bra and the matching bottoms. That's like $100 in your cart. It's just like for ordinary bra and tights, $100, excuse me. So I would say the pricing, if Gymshark had more sales throughout the year, I think it will seem a little bit better when it comes to the price. And then also, after I show you guys the stuff that I got from Gymshark, I'm gonna show you these two leggings that I got from AliExpress. And I'm also gonna link the store down below of where I got this stuff. Apparently, this is supposed to be a dupe for the Gymshark leggings, but just way cheaper. And I know a lot of these brands, like, they buy their stuff like wholesale from like these AliExpress and places like that and slap their logo on it. So if it is the same quality and whatnot, if you can't afford a pair of 55, or not even afford, if you don't want to spend money, because the thing is, I wouldn't even say afford, because I feel like a lot of people can afford a lot of things. It's just you spend money on things you find value in. For example, like for me, I don't mind spending money on the gym that I go to. When I tell people the gym that I go to and the money I'm spending each month, it's just like, huh? But I find value in it. And vice versa, people who like to collect shoes, who are like sneakerheads or whatever, they find value in it, so they're able to save up for that, and like they don't mind that. So I wouldn't even say that, oh, if you can't afford it, because I feel like people can, and there's probably people who really can't, but they want to. This is another alternative. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that as well. Another alternative. And if it's good, I might just be buying more from them too. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're first gonna start off with this top right here. And this is a part of like one of their most recent lines. I can't remember, but I will have all the stuff that I have on linked down below in order of how I am showing it in the video. So this is this, and my ring light's actually kind of washing it out, but this is the actual color of it. Let me see. Yeah, it's like this like neon pink. Like it's such a bold color. And this is what the back looks like. It has like these little circular, like little cutouts or whatever. And this comes in a bra like this, the matching bottoms and the matching shorts, but I only wanted the crop top. So let me give you guys a side view. I'm trying to get my stomach flat, you guys. I'm trying to get my stomach flat. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bottoms. So these are the Gymshark Vital Seamless Leggings. And let me just say, these are probably the most comfortable pair of leggings ever. Like, they literally feel like I have nothing on. I have worked out in these bottoms already, like twice already, and I really like it. Let me do a little squat test for you guys. I think these are pretty squat proof. It does sit on my waist pretty nicely, but it does have a little pouch right here. So that's what I was saying, like I think for the Vital Seamless, I probably could size down to a medium, because when I am like full on working out, or like if my stomach was never, sometimes like when I'm not nearly as bloated, like I have a little of back space here, and I want it to be like super compressed on there. But yeah, I would probably size down in this collection, because I would want it to be just, I don't like all this extra fabric here. All right, next I got this like crop top, and I like it. I do. It does have a little bit of like extra room here that I don't really like, but for the most part it's cute. It has a Gymshark like planet. Gymshark freaking loves their name. Like they put it everywhere. They want you to know this is Gymshark, okay? They're trying to get the return of investment, okay? You bought this, we finna get more people buying it. So this is what it looks like. This is what the back looks like. So I kind of like it because if you have like a different color sports bra, you want to kind of show that off. You can kind of show it off a little bit with this crop top. So yeah, it's pretty simple. All right, by the way, everything I got was a crop top, okay? Because, you know, it's motivation for me to get my stomach real right, because I want to be cute. So this is the next one, and this is actually the matching top to these bottoms, and I like it, okay? It has a little thingies here. You know, I feel like, shh, Spider-Man. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. I have not worn this yet. I got this in the mail, I don't know, sometime last week, and yeah, I haven't gotten around to wearing this, so it has a tag on it. It's cute. I got this in a size, I got everything in a large. I think I said that already, yeah. Got everything in a large. Okay, so this is the next set. It is the same exact thing as the one I just showed to you guys before, but it's in purple. It kind of gives me, like this one, the fabric is not nearly as like loose as the black one. So I think like certain colors run a little different. It's weird, super weird, but yeah. Same thing. I get good length with it. Very good length. This is the back. It has a little bit of like the contour, like the black one, I'm pretty sure the black one has it, but because it's black, I can't really see it. But it has a little bit of a contour. I don't know if it's supposed to give the appearance of like a lifted butt or like little sweat marks. I don't really know, whatever. Same thing with the hands. You can wear it either or. I kind of like wearing it like this. I feel super cool. I don't know why. Am I cool for even saying that? Whatever. So it looks like this. Makeup looks so good. That looks so freaking good. Do I look like a Gymshark athlete? Do I look like I could be one of those girls? I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Let me get my stomach flat, okay? Let me get my stomach flat. Y'all really not finna like me because I'm gonna have a whole attitude, okay? Ain't no turkey finna stop my shine this holiday because I'm finna be sexy. Okay, let me stop. Oh, let me show you guys if it's squat proof. Can you see that? Oh, you can't even see that. Oh, snap. Hold on. Because that means y'all didn't see that for the black one either. Dang it. But the black one is squat proof though. It is. Okay. See that? I don't see anything peeking through. Okay, so I was gonna put on a shirt, but you know what? I wanna be vulnerable with you guys, okay? We don't all have perfect bodies, okay? So this is what I look like. So these are the flex leggings, and these get your regular size, okay? I would say I don't think there's much space to like kind of like size up or size down. As far as like length, it stops where I like my leggings to stop. It's not flooded, but it's not like all the way down my ankles. So if you're shorter, you're gonna have that extra fabric. If you're taller, it might rise up on you a little bit more. Now this waistband is super compressed. Like it stays put. There's like none of that like gaping or anything. It stays put. Now, I don't know if I'm not wearing these correctly or if they just didn't get the, I don't know, you guys tell me, but if you guys have seen people wear the flex leggings, usually this, isn't it a little bit higher up? Like I was looking at, when I wore these, I had to go back on the website. Oh, hold on, my battery's about to die. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I had to change my battery. Anyways, like I was saying, I had to go on the website to make sure I wasn't going crazy. But I don't know if it runs different on everyone, but I could have sworn that this should be higher. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the 2 leggings that I got from AliExpress that are supposed to be dupes for this. Oh, let me show you guys a quick squat test with this. That's not a real squat, like that was actually a terrible squat, but I don't wanna have to readjust the tripod. But yeah, let me just say, if I didn't know any better, like these honestly feel like the Gymshark leggings. Like I kid you not, like the top gives me the feel of the flex leggings in a way. I don't know, but they feel durable. They really feel like it. The waistband is nicely, ooh, look at that booty contour. I didn't even smell of that. Looks like I have sweat marks, but whatever. Oh my gosh, I hate having to like keep like blowing, like sniffling, but my nose is just acting up. This is super compressed here, which I love. Length check. Yep, they fit where they need to be. Let's do a squat test. Let's see if these are squat proof. I don't see anything peeking through. Granted, now I haven't worked out in these, so I don't know how it's gonna be like that, but just based off of the way they feel right now, I would definitely recommend these if you want to save a little bit of money and you don't want to like spend the money on Gymshark. I would definitely consider these for sure. Okay, so these are the next leggings, and by the way, these are supposed to be like, I guess like a dupe for their ombre collection. Yet again, the waistband is super tight. I can already tell that this is going to be a little see-through because I took a peek and it'll look see-through. Ooh, I don't know, is it? Or am I just going crazy? No, I think I'm going crazy. I don't think these are see-through. Anyways, oh, you guys, I actually put in work to get these on. Oh my gosh, ay, ay, ay. Same thing. Length check is good. The booty contour on this one, yeah, okay, I'm not going crazy. I think whenever like, you know, they're doing these, they don't be paying attention, because even Gymshark did the same thing. I think everyone's comes differently because these are the same exact things. Why is this all the way down here when on the other ones, they were like all the way up here? So I think it just, honestly, you're taking chance. Like yours might come up there or they might not. We don't know. It was whatever you get. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.